Alright, we're going to try to take these black SS emblems off of the car. Never done this, so we'll see how this goes. Got a heat gun. Try to take it off, heat them up, then take them off with a piece of fishing line. This works. Never done this before, but we'll try it. Uh-oh. Well, that fishing line broke. I don't know what test this is. Just a little plastic interior tool. Well, there you go. All right, I'm just gonna cut these knobs off with a Dremel and glue these white emblems on. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I got just ground them off with my Dremel. Not all four of them. Just using Dremel with that blade. Now, let's glue them on. Okay, so this right here is the glue that I used. You can get it at any craft store. I think my wife got this at Hobby Lobby. It's what I used to glue on other emblems with, and it worked pretty good. So this is what they look like with the white S's on there. Came out pretty good, I think.